Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about Moomoo and Interactive Broker to help you decide which of these trading platform will be a better choice for you in 2025. So let's quickly dive into it. Moomoo is a sleek, beginner-friendly platform offering commission-free US stock, ETFs, and option trading with strong charting tools and free level 2 data. Its pros are the low-cost, intuitive design and social features that help newer traders learn. However, it's mostly US focused and has limited international market access and lacks some advanced features tools for professionals might need. Now, on the other hand, Interactive Broker is built for serious investors with access to 150 plus global market, multiple asset classes, and some of the lowest margin rates in the industry. Its strengths are depth, advanced features, research tools, and flexibility for both retail and institutional traders. The downside are its steeper learning curve, complex platform, and more detailed fee structure, which can feel overwhelming for casual trader. So, in other hand, in my opinion, choose Moomoo if you want a simple, low-cost way to trade US market, or go with Interactive Broker if you need global research, advanced tools, and if you need a comfortable with a more complex setup. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more comparison review like this. Thanks.